Okay, students, before we start with the next topic, linear equations and inequations in one variable, let us discuss the basic concepts and let us start. First of all, let us know what is expression. What do you mean by expression? I can divide expression into two parts. One is variable, another one is constant. Now variable means whose values keeps on changing, and we can always let them as x, y, a, b, c. Any alphabet can be written over there for the variables because the values they keeps on changing. Constants whose values remain fixed, and most likely we take them in the numeral form like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now if I talk about expression, this can be written as minus 5y or 7x plus 3 and so on. We have so many examples based on this. Now this is how I'll start with the expression. Now let's say if we have a weighing balance here and I just want to frame an equation. Okay, let me take left hand side. Let this be 2x plus 3 and this be 10. Now here in the weighing balance, if you see, if I want to equate them, if I want these weighing balance to equate, I can write this as 2x plus 3 is equals to 10. This is how I will write equation. Now this will be the left hand side of the equation and this will be the right hand side of the equation. So I can say equation is an expression where I have left hand side and right hand side, and in this case since one variable is there, so whenever we are solving these type of questions, we will say we are finding the values of linear equations in one variable. Okay, now let us discuss few steps how to solve the linear equation. First step is I need to simplify both the sides. That means if I have same variables on both sides, I will be simplifying them. Then remove fractions or the decimals if we have any. We will discuss all this in detail using examples. First, kindly go through them. Then transpose all the variable terms on one side and all constant terms on the one side. Okay. Fourth one is solve and make the coefficient of the variable 1. Okay, let us take few examples from exercise 12.1. Question number 3, solve the following equations. Equation is 1.6x plus 2 is equals to 5.2. Obviously, if I need to solve it, the rule is I need to take like terms to one side, constants to one side. So I prefer to take 2 to the other side. This will become minus 2. Okay. The rule is whenever we are taking terms to the other side, if term is having any plus sign, when I take it to the other side, it will become minus. If term is having negative sign, I am taking to the other side, it will become plus. If the number is multiplied and I take it to the other side, it will be divided. And if the term is divided and I take it to the other side, it will be multiplied. So this rule we need to take care while solving the linear equations. Okay, here plus 2 is there. I take it to the other side, it will become minus 2. So 1.6x is equals to 3.2, and I can say after solving x is coming out to be 2. Let us take question number 11. Question is 4x plus 3 over 7 plus 2 is equals to x plus 5 over 2. Now here on both sides you can see variables and constants. They are all mixed. So what I will do, I'll take LCM on left hand side. I took LCM. This will be 1 here. I took 7 as LCM. And after simplifying, I get 4x plus 17 upon 7 is equals to x plus 5 by 2. I need to simplify this. So what I will do, I will cross multiply. When I cross multiply, this 2 will be multiplied by 4x plus 17 and this 7 will be multiplied with x plus 5. After simplifying, I got 8x plus 34 is equals to 7x plus 35. Now on both sides of the equation, if you'll see, variable and constant, variable and constant. So I will transpose. After transposing, I took variables on one side and constants on one side and I found x is equals to 1. Okay, let us discuss next question, question number 12 from exercise 12.1. Question is 5p minus 2 into p minus 3 into 5p minus 5. Now here round bracket and here square bracket is there. We will follow BODMAS. We will simplify this first. I will open this bracket and multiply this minus 3p with this first. Okay. And what do I get? 5p minus 2 into p minus 3p. Minus minus, when I multiply, it will become plus 15. Okay. Here, like terms are there. P minus 3p. It will be minus 2p. So equation will become 5p minus 2 into minus 2p plus 15 is equals to 6. Here I cannot subtract, I need to multiply because no sign is between a number and a fraction. So I will multiply this way. Minus minus plus 4p and minus 30 is equals to 6. I will simplify, I'll take minus 30 to the other side. It will become 9p is equals to 36 and p will come out to be 4. So this is how I will be doing exercise 12.1. Okay. Let us discuss exercise 12.2. The concept is same, only the difficulty level has been increased a bit. Let us discuss question number 4 first. Question is 3x plus 4 minus 2x whole divided by 2 minus 5x minus 7x is equals to minus 9 over 58. Now here I need to solve and I need to verify my solution as well. Okay, first of all, I'll find the value of x and then we'll do the verification. I'll open the bracket here. These are like terms. Now when I simplify, I got x plus 4 over 2 minus 12x is equals to minus 9 upon 58. In order to solve, I will cross multiply because this cannot be simplified further unless and until I cross multiply. After cross multiplying, 58 will be multiplied by x and 58 will be multiplied by 4. Similarly here, this side. And when I simplify, I got 250 is equals to 50x. That means x will be equal to 5. I got the value of x. Now verification. Whenever we are verifying, we have to make sure that one is left hand side and another one is right hand side. And verification means I need to check after putting the value of x whether both sides are coming out to be same or not. So either you can draw one line in between. You cannot write equal to sign. So I've written left hand side this side and right hand side here. Right hand side is constant. I cannot put the value of x anywhere. But in left hand side, yes, I have variables. So I'll be putting x is equals to 5 there. I've simplified. After simplifying, and here please make sure because bracket is there. Using BODMAS, I will be simplifying this bracket first and then I'll open the bracket. After simplifying, what I got, 19 minus 10 upon minus 23 minus 35, and this should be equal to minus 9 upon 58. Let's calculate it further. What I got, 9 upon minus 58 and here 9 upon minus 58. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence verified. Okay. Now let's discuss question number 10 from this exercise. It's having variable constants here. X is the variable and a and b are the constants. I need to find the value of x. Question is x plus b upon a minus b is equals to x minus b upon a plus b. I cannot simplify, so I will start this by cross multiplying only. I have cross multiplied. And after cross multiplying, what I will do, it's binomial multiplication. Okay, this first a will be multiplied by x plus b. You can write, this is your way, whichever way you like to multiply, you can do that. So this is how we'll multiply. And when I multiplied, this can be cancelled. B square and b square, ax and ax will be cancelled. I'll take this bx, this minus bx to the other side, so it will become bx plus bx. I took this ab to the other side of the equation. Here it will become, because it is plus ab, it will become minus ab. So what do we get? 2bx is equals to minus 2ab. I need to find the value of x. So it will be minus 2ab upon 2b, 2b cancelled, and x is equals to minus a. Now in order to verify, I will put x is equals to minus a on both sides of the equation and simplify. So this is left hand side, x plus b upon a minus b, and right hand side is x minus b upon a plus b. Put x is equals to minus a. This will be minus a plus b upon a minus b, minus a minus b upon a plus b. Here I took minus outside. By taking minus outside, the numerator will be same as the denominator and I can cancel it out. Similarly here on this side, I took minus common from the numerator and I got numerator and denominator having same terms. Cancelled out and I will get minus 1 on both sides. Now because left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence verified. So whatever I got the value of x, that is correct one. Let us take one more example. Question number 12. Okay, now in this case, if you see, the question is 17 upon 2 minus x upon 1 minus 7x plus 5 into x plus 12 upon 7x minus 1 equals to 8. If I see the denominator, the only difference is with the sign. This is 1 minus 7x and this is 7x minus 1. Now what I will do, in order to make, instead of taking LCMs or in this situation, I prefer to take negative sign common out. I took negative sign common out and I got same terms here, that the denominator is coming out to be same. And this negative sign can be shifted here. So what I got, 17 into 2 minus x upon 1 minus 7x minus 5 into x plus 12 upon 1 minus 7x equals to 8. Here because denominators are same, okay, LCM will be 1 minus 7x. Still I have to simplify. It will be 17 into 2 minus x minus 5 into x plus 12 upon 1 minus 7x is equals to 8. This can be 8 upon 1. Now, I'll open the bracket here. 34 minus 17x minus 5x minus 60 upon 1 minus 7x is equals to 8. Minus 17x minus 5x minus 22x plus 34 minus 60 minus 26. Now I can cross multiply. And this will be, of course, here I will be multiplying with 1 only. So minus 22x minus 26 will be equal to 8 into 1 minus 7x. After continuing with the calculations, what do I get? Minus 22x minus 26 is equals to 8 minus 56x. By transposing, okay, I'll be transposing here. That means keeping the like terms together, variables together and constants together. I got 34x here and 34 here. So x is equals to 1. X is coming out to be 1. I need to verify. For the verification on the right hand side only 8 is given. That means the value of x is supposed to, we need to put on left hand side only. So wherever x is there, I will be substituting 1 there. So this is how I'll substitute 1. Okay. Now using BODMAS, this is 17 into 1 because 2 minus 1. I will be simplifying bracket first. 1 minus 7 into 1. So instead of writing 1 minus 7 first, I will be multiplying this 1 with 7 and then subtracting. Okay, what do I get? 17 into 1, that is 17. 1 minus 7 will be 6, minus 6. So I've written minus 6 here. 5 into 13 upon 7 minus 1. 6 is the denominator. On the right hand side, I have 8 only. This will be minus 17 plus 65. It is 48 upon 6. After cancelling, I got this to be 8. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence verified. So students, based on these questions, kindly try exercise 12.1 and 12.2, the remaining questions, and your doubts will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.